Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and this is a bit of a special episode. I'm going to do something a little bit different. What we did with the channel recently is reach 250 subscribers. So, firstly, I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who's supported the channel, friends that have joined, and also friends that have joined the DMC on Facebook. So, to celebrate this 250 subscriber point, achievement, if you like, I'm going to be doing, as I say, something a little bit different. In the last video, what I did was to restore a set of BP fuel pumps from the Matchbox double-storey service station. It's the sales and service station, which is the MG-1-B2 BP double-storey service station. Now, I recently saw one of these on eBay, and it was going for £29 English with 10 minutes to go. So I thought, I'm having a bit of that, I'll have a go, and it went for 117 English pounds by the time it was done. So I won't be buying one. They're going for big money. But what this led me to do was to think, well, it's all right doing these fuel pumps. What am I going to do with them? Where am I going to put them? So I thought I'd do a bit of scratch building. And what I came up with was this. So this is a replica of the BP sales and service station. Not complete yet. So we'll move the vehicles out the way, put in our manufactured sign, and pumps. Feels like an episode of Blue Peter. This does, if you're from the UK, you'll know what I mean. And vehicles. So what's left to do on this one is the inside staircase, the signage around the top, and the ramp at the back. Obviously, these are the only original part. I had to replace the plastic parts which were available on eBay, so I did that and got some decals, replacement decals. And what I've also done is this flagpole was made out of an old sign from a kiddie's toy car garage. Exactly what I'm making here is at an adult's toy car garage. So I took the base off an old sign, got some styrene, and I've purchased myself some sticker paper, high gloss sticker paper, so I can print out any stickers now. So I'm pleased with that. And then we just super glued it all together. The other thing that I did was to find some signage for the sides. I've yet to, as I say, yet to finish this one off, so there's still some parts to do. But what I thought, the reason I didn't video it, I wanted to see what was involved in creating this little garage. It doesn't look like there's much to it, but believe me, there is more than you think. So what I'm going to be doing is I've got the plans, I've took all the measurements. I'm going to be making another one, and what I'm going to do is to video it. So in this part one, which is the introduction, I'll show you the plans that I made, and we'll screenshot that and put it in the video. The materials that I've used. So if you want to have a go at this, by all means have a go. It is good fun if you can get the materials. They're a little obscure, but not difficult to get in some cases. And I'll explain what materials and where I've used them. So that's going to be the idea. This is, as I say, this is going to be part one, the introduction, and then we'll work our way through in possibly part 2 and 3 on how we put the whole thing together. So I'll catch you in a few moments with the materials list and plans. So catch you soon. Cheers. So there you go, folks. There's the plans that I've created, sizes and cutting lists and things like that, if they're of interest to you. I'm also going to be creating a PDF version, so if you send me details, your contact details, I'll email you an electronic version. Apart from the garage, what we will be doing is restoring the vehicles that you can see inside the garage to give it a completed theme. I've also sent off for a Matchbox auto tanker. It's the one that is missing from the original collection, so I've got that coming. And there you go, a bit of fun, this one, something a little bit different, but it's a way of saying thank you to all those that have subscribed to the channel and continue to support us. So thank you very much. This is PJ signing off, and I'll see you in part 2. We've also got a DMC build coming up, so I'll catch you soon. Cheers.